make that much noise. Shh, I got you. Did you ever go around like you're cooler than me? I hope that you like this, but you probably won't. You think you're cooler than me.
That you're cooler than me.
Power, banana power. Look at me move. Uh-oh, but that's on. Uh-oh, but that's on. Uh-oh, but that's on. Stop!
Hey everyone, I'm at Ikea right now, which is awesomeness. I did it! Yes, push me, Mom, push me. Look at this. I'm stuck in an Ikea shopping cart. This is just tragic. Oh, well. Look at my mom push me. Look at her. This just kind of proves I have no life. I tried to get in an Ikea shopping cart, now my legs hurt, so kind of screwed. Have fun acting like you're 2 and get in an Ikea shopping cart. Actually, I'm 3. 3. Bingo! I would live in this room in 1 second if the lighting wasn't so bad. Look at the bed! It's like a dragon.
Terrorizing the city.
I take baths where I want. We just went to Taco Bueno, which is the best place in the entire world. Say hi, Mom.
Hi, Mom.
She's trying to be a kigger. She's trying to get you little boys. The dance actually went really well, the dinner dance thingy that we had at my school. It was extremely enjoyable. There were some couples that we didn't really expect, but it was cute. Stop bouncing, camera. Ew, I just spit everywhere. You are just owning me today, aren't you? She thinks she's so cool owning her own daughter. I'm so extremely gangster. Oh, my boobs. It's probably because you think you're cooler than me. Oh, I like this.